رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Samil Quran online classes. Inshallah, today we will start Norani Qaida, lesson number 7, which name is Vertical Harakat. Vertical Harakat is standing Fatha, standing Kasra, and inverted Dhamma. These three sign names are called vertical harakat. So the standing fatha, there comes top of the letter. Standing kasra, there comes bottom of the letter. And inverted dhamma, there comes top of the letter in rounded shape. Looks like this. Whenever vertical harakat comes, we stretch 2 seconds longer. So I will read first and you should practice after me. Let us start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The first letter coming ta. So first we read the letter like ta, and then we read standing fatha, standing kasra, and inverted dhamma. This sign name is standing fatha. Always the standing fatha comes top of the letter. This sign name is standing kasra, and there comes bottom of the letter. And this rounded shape sign name is inverted dhamma. They also comes top of the letter. So never forget to stretch the vertical harakat 1 alif time, which means like 2 seconds. And also you remember that we have clear difference between the harakat and vertical harakat. So the harakat we don't stretch, and the vertical harakat we stretch 2 seconds. So I will read first and you should practice after me. Let us start now. Ta standing fathata. Ta standing kasrati. Ta inverted dhammatu. Ta ti tu. Ta standing fathata. Ta standing kasrati. Ta inverted dhammatu. Ta طي طو. دال standing فتحة دا. دال standing كسرة دي. دال inverted ضمة دو. دا دي دو. زا standing فتحة زا. زا standing كسرة زي. زا inverted dhamma zu. زا زي zu. Sin standing fatha sa. Sin standing kasra si. Sin inverted dhamma su. Sa si su. Sad standing fatha sa. Sad standing kasra si. Sad inverted dhamma su. Sa si su. So this is Hamza as you learn. So Alif don't have any sign. If Alif has any harakat like Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, standing Fatha, standing Kasra, inverted Dhamma, it will become Hamza. As we say Hamza standing Fatha A. So this is not Alif. We say Hamza standing Fatha A. Hamza standing kasra E. Hamza inverted dhamma U. A. E. U. Ha standing fatha Ha. Ha standing kasra He. Ha inverted dhamma Hu. Ha. He. Hu. Ain standing fatha A. Ain standing kasra Ai. Ain inverted dhamma U. A. Ai. U. Ha standing fatha Ha. Ha standing kasra Hi. Ha inverted dhamma Hu. Ha. Hi. Hu. Ghain standing fatha Gha. Ghain standing kasra Ghi. Ghain inverted dhamma Ghu. Gha. Ghi. Ghu. Kha standing fatha Kha. Kha standing kasra Khi. Kha inverted dhamma Khu. Kha. Khi. Khu. Ba standing fatha Ba. Ba standing kasra Bi. Ba inverted dhamma Bu. Ba. Bi. Bu. Mim standing fatha Ma. Mim standing kasra Mi. Mim inverted dhamma Mu. Ma. Mi. Mu. Waw standing fatha Wa. Waw standing kasra Wi. Waw inverted dhamma Wu. Wa. Wi. Wu. Fa standing fatha Fa. Fa standing kasra Fi. Fa inverted dhamma Fu. Fa. Fi. Fu. Zod standing fatha Za. Zod standing kasra Zi. Zod inverted dhamma Zu. Za. Zi. Zu. Jim standing fatha Ja. Jim standing kasra Ji. Jim inverted dhamma Ju. Ja. Ji. Ju. Shin standing fatha Sha. Shin standing kasra Shi. Shin inverted dhamma Shu. Sha. Shi. Shu. Ya standing fatha Ya. Ya standing kasra Yi. Ya inverted dhamma Yu. Ya. Yi. Yu. Lam standing fatha La. Lam standing kasra Li. Lam inverted dhamma Lu. La. Li. Lu. Ra standing fatha Ra. Ra standing kasra Ri. And also to remember, whenever Ra comes with kasra, standing kasra, and double kasra, so then the Ra we read with the light sound. As we say, را ري رو ثا standing فتحة ثا ثا standing كسرة ثي ثا inverted dhamma ثو ثا ثي ثو ذال standing فتحة ذا ذال standing كسرة ذي ذال inverted dhamma ذو ذا ذي ذو ظا standing فتحة ظا ظا standing كسرة ظي ظا inverted dhamma ظو ظا ظي ظو قاف standing فتحة قا قاف standing كسرة قي قاف inverted dhamma قو قا قي قو كاف standing فتحة كا كاف standing كسرة كي كاف inverted dhamma كو كا كي كو نون standing فتحة نا نون standing كسرة ني نون inverted dhamma نو نا ني نو همزة standing فتحة آ همزة standing كسرة إي همزة inverted dhamma أو آ إي أو يا standing فتحة يا يا standing كسرة يي يا inverted dhamma يو يا يي you. So here we completed our lesson number 7. Inshallah, in next class we will start lesson number 8, which name is Madda letters. So thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, so please subscribe our channel Sami Al Quran online classes, and don't forget to click on bell icon for all new videos. See you in next class. Take care. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.